What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, former President Barack Obama's birthday is tomorrow, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make his family's chili recipe, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of vegan ground beef, 3 cloves of garlic, chopped, 1 green bell pepper, chopped, 1 large onion, chopped, 1 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes, 1 15 to 16 ounce can of dark red kidney beans, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan Obama chili. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.